Hey, what's up everyone? This is Haris from Team Android and this is the all-new Huawei Y7 Prime 2019. I know we've already covered this phone earlier this year, but Huawei is reintroducing this phone 9 months later with some upgrades. And we're going to show you those upgrades in this video. The Y7 Prime was such a huge hit for Huawei that they had to launch it again with upgraded specs and an all-new back design. This is the phone that was launched earlier this year. This is the Y7 Prime 2019. It was launched back in January 2019. And since the phone was such a huge hit, Huawei had to reintroduce this phone again, and now with an all-new back design and upgraded specs. Before we get to the unboxing, let me say this out straight. This phone looks great, like a great budget device on paper with lots of storage and great battery life. All this available at a very affordable price. Y7 Prime 2017 is available in two storage options. Earlier it was only launched with 32GB storage, but this new upgraded model comes with 64GB storage option as well. And if you think the storage is not enough, you can expand it with a microSD card with up to 512 gigs. The rest of the specs are all the same. This phone has a Snapdragon 450 processor, 3GB RAM, two cameras at the back and one at the front. The front one is inside a notch, which Huawei calls it as dewdrop display or notch. It has a 4000 mAh battery, which is enough to go on for 2 days. So in this video, we're going to do a full unboxing of this phone and check out all the stuff that comes inside the box. We will also do a quick setup of the device and show you that all the Google apps still work properly on Huawei phones despite the rumors of a ban that has been going on. So without wasting time, let's get right into it. This is the standard Huawei packaging for almost all of their phones. Here you can see this phone has 3GB RAM, 64GB storage, and it's a dual SIM model. So let's unbox the phone now. Here's the phone. You can see the new leather back design of the Y7 Prime. And I must say, it looks amazing. I must say, it gives you this certain premium feel when you hold the phone. I love it. This phone is available in several different color options, but if you want 64GB storage, it's only available in this amber brown color with a faux leather back. So you can see a close-up of the back. There's this premium feel of it. So we have the power button on the right side. There's the volume rocker. There's a headphone jack at the top, secondary microphone. Here is the SIM card slot and the microSD card slot. The speakers are at the bottom, and the phone still charges with micro USB. I hope they would have also upgraded this and converted into USB-C, but oh well, maybe Huawei will do it with next of their models. So the rest of the device is pretty much the same. Same processor, same amount of RAM, same battery, but battery, I must say, 4000 mAh is good enough to go on for 2 days at least. So I think this should be enough for most users. Yeah, so let me just show you now what comes inside the box. Let me put this aside. So we have the SIM ejection pin, and I think this has there's a case. Then we have SIM ejection pin. There's a screen protector as well. Thank you, Huawei, for that. I won't have to buy it from outside. Then we have there's this charger, standard Huawei charger, the USB cable, the micro USB, and we also have a set of earphones. Yep, I think they went down. Yep, not earphones, I think they're normal, yeah, headphones, in-ear headphones. So great. I'm going to quickly boot up the phone and set it up with my Google account and show you all the Google apps that still work on the phone. They all perfectly well. The phone comes with Google Play Store on it, and you can download whatever apps you want from the store. Before that, as you can see, the phone is exactly identical, like actually exactly the same as before. There are no differences except the new back, which is this faux leather, and there's more storage on this phone than this one. The standard one came with 32 GB storage. Let me just show it to you. Here, storage, and see, as you can see, it's a 32 GB model, and the new one comes with 64 GB ROM. So yeah, let me quickly take off the apps and boot up the phone for you. And here we are. The initial setup is all completed, and here we are inside the phone. I've logged in with my Google account. I'll log in my Huawei account later on. Let me just quickly show you all the apps that come inside this phone. A few features and services are still loading. So yeah, the phone comes with standard set of social media apps: Facebook Messenger. For Instagram users, you can download it online. So yeah, here is the Google Play Store. Let me just fire it up and show you. See, it still works. You can see all the apps inside. Maybe if you want to download PUBG mobile, you can just go into it and start. Wait, oops. Oh yeah. So the Play Store would have must have updated to the newer version. While it installs, let me quickly show you other apps as well. Yeah, Google search, it perfectly works. See, you can quickly, maybe I can type Team Android. Yep. See, it works perfectly fine. Then we have maybe I'll show you YouTube. I'll update my YouTube app later on, and yeah, YouTube still works perfectly, no issues at all. I can maybe play this teaser of the new Breaking Bad movie, and yeah, you can watch your favorite videos. See, and there we are. I'm going to quickly close this and again show you the Google Play Store. Sorry, yeah. And the new version is here, yeah. So this is the new Google Play Store. You can use it to download whatever apps you want. Everything still works, no issues. I'll download PUBG Mobile Lite. Tap on install and see, the installation has begun. Everything still works. No issues with the phone, no issues with Google apps. You can use it just like you would use any other Android phone. So yeah, this is pretty much from our side, and I must say overall this seems like a great package and a big value for money. For more details, I'll put up a link to our full review below, the full review of Y7 Prime 2019 that we did back in January or February, and yeah, so once again, this is the new Y7 Prime with a faux leather back. It looks gorgeous, I must say, and definitely feels premium. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to press the like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss our future videos. Till then, see you guys later. Bye bye.